In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payment plans in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, creating a seamless payment system for your clients is paramount. Stripe is a popular platform that helps businesses manage their online transactions effortlessly. And today, I'll walk you through setting up a payment plan step by step. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to stripe.com. This is the place where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the sign in button. It should be pretty easy to spot. Click on it and that will take you to the login page. At the login page, it's time to enter your email and password. Go ahead and type those in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding further, but we're assuming you're all set with the login details today. Once you have those entered, you'll want to click on the sign in button and you're in. Now we're moving on to the dashboard. On the home dashboard, the next step is to get into the billing section. This is where you configure all your payment related settings. The billing tab should be visible on your menu, and once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Now we're getting closer. You'll see an option for subscriptions. Click on that next. The subscriptions page is where you manage your various client payment plans. Now we're going to create a new subscription. You should see a button labeled Create Subscription. Hit that button and it's time to start setting things up. The first field you'll need to fill out is the customer name or email. You either select an existing customer or input the details of a new one. It's essential to ensure that the details are correct, as this is how you'll identify which plan belongs to which client later on. After that, decide on the subscription duration. You have the option to choose how long this payment plan will last, whether it's monthly, yearly, or a custom time frame that suits your business needs. Next, it's time to add the product your client is subscribing to. This product should already be set up in your Stripe account. Select the appropriate product that corresponds with the subscription you're setting up. After you've chosen the product, set the price. It's crucial to get this part right to ensure your clients are billed accurately. Then decide when you want the billing to start. You can set this to be immediate or begin at a future date. Lastly, select the payment method your client will use. Once everything looks good, review all the details you've entered. When you're confident everything is correct, click the Create button and you've successfully set up a payment plan on Stripe.